Click on the subscribe button and press the bell.
Hello and welcome back to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I am going to show you how to change the size and color of mouse pointer in Windows 10. So let's begin. So first of all, go to Start menu and click on Settings. Now click on Ease of Access. Now on the left side you can see here mouse pointer, so click on it. Now you can change size and color of your mouse pointer by sliding this slider into right side. You can increase the size of the pointer, and to change the color, select this color to change the color. To change the color of your choice, click on it, click here, and now select the color that you like to apply on mouse pointer. So you can see here on which color I select, the mouse pointer also change into that color. So you can see here how easy you can change size and color of mouse pointer in Windows 10. So that's how you can change size and color of mouse pointer in Windows 10. And if you want more color option, you can click here and select the color. Like this. So if you like this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. And lastly, thanks for watching my video.